Hi, this is Nate from PartsPak.com, and today I'm going to show you this water inlet plug and strap. We're on the side of a truck bed camper, and you can see this is the water inlet, and there's no protective covering over that to keep contaminants out. It may have been there at one time and just fallen off, but there isn't one now. Valterra, they make this water inlet plug and strap, which is just a convenient way of putting a cover over the water inlet. So you just take this strap and push it over, and then you've got a nice convenient cover that just pushes in there, and now you've protected your water inlet supply from any contaminants as you drive down the road. Don't forget to buy your parts at PartsPak.com, where there's outdoor fun in every box.